When you hear the term gift shop, what do you think about? Do you think about a place to buy just random gifts? Or maybe you think it should be some specific type of gifts? Well, actually, a gift shop is basically a store that sells products suitable for giving as presents. Like you can buy flowers, maybe a t-shirt, maybe things like that at the hospital gift shop or the hotel's gift shop, things of that nature. So this business model is really big on location, and then the type of items you sell should correlate with where the shop is located. Say your gift shop is in Atlanta, Georgia, then it should be full of memorabilia of the Atlanta area. It should be located in a heavy traffic area where most of the tourists frequent, like the airport or right next to the airport, or as you drive into Florida and it says welcome, driving to Georgia and it says welcome to Georgia, right? Somewhere in that nature. We're going to go over the basics of starting a gift shop and some not so basic things. But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon, put in work Burke, and I'm just like you, a hard-working man that grew tired of the grind and wanted to learn how to make more money, save more money while building a better me and business. And now I'm here to teach you the same. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel and like this video. All right, so starting a gift shop can be a good idea if and only if you have the right location and the right merchandise. So here's my step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number one, market research. This is number one, right? Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, local competition, and the demand for gift products in your area. Again, this is one of the main things you need to do when it comes to research. Number two, business plan. Gotta have a business plan. If you don't know anything, you need to know that you need to have a business plan. You gotta develop a full-on business plan that outlines your business goals, target market, products, pricing strategy, market plan, and financial projections. And if you can't do this, check out Live Plan. Link in the description. Number three, legal structure and registration. Choose the legal structures for your business, sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Simple. Number four, location, location, location. Choose a suitable location for your gift shop. Consider factors such as foot traffic, visibility, and proximity to other businesses. Again, I can't talk about location enough because your location will dictate what you sell or don't sell. For instance, if your gift shop is located in a hospital, you need to sell flowers. If your gift shop is in a hotel, you should sell memorabilia based on the town or city your gift shop is located in. Simple. All right. Number five, supplier selection. Now, this is another big one because who you get your supplies from, your materials from, the things you want to sell means a lot. Okay, so you have to identify and establish relationships with reliable suppliers for your gift products. Okay, you can do this easily, okay, online. Just Google wholesale gift products and you will find what you need. Number six, inventory management. Implement an efficient inventory management system to track stock levels, reorder products, and minimize losses due to theft or damage. Okay, an Excel sheet might work for a little bit of time, but that's it. Number seven, store layout and design. Design an attractive and organized store layout that makes it easy for customers to navigate and find products. Consider creating themed sections or displays. Number eight, branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity for your gift shop, including a memorable logo and signage. Create a marketing strategy that includes online and offline channels to promote your business. Canva is a good place to create your logo. Check that out. Online presence. Establish an online presence through a website and social media platforms. This also allows you to reach a broader audience and promote your products, okay? I recommend you go ahead and get a website through like HostGator or Bluehost, okay? The link is in the description. Customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build customer loyalty. Train your staff to be knowledgeable about products and provide a positive shopping experience. And number 11, point of sale. This is a big one. You got to have the right POS system. Invest in a reliable POS system to streamline transactions, track sales, and manage customer information. I can help you get a POS for your business. I will be able to help you save 95% of your credit card processing fees when it comes to your point of sale. The link is in the description, or just leave a comment and let me know if you're interested. Number 12, legal compliance. Ensure that your business complies with local regulations, okay, and including licensing requirements, health and safety standards, and any other legal obligations. You definitely have to make sure you are on point with that. Number 13, financial management, another big one. Set up a robust financial management system. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses, and consider working with an accountant for financial advice. Or you can start out your own with QuickBooks. It's a great platform for business owners who want to take care of their finances themselves. Number 14, grand opening. Plan a grand opening event to attract attention and generate initial interest in your gift shop. Consider offering promotions or discounts to encourage people to visit. All right? Definitely got to have a grand opening. Without a grand opening, no one knows you're there. Number 15, adopt and evolve. Stay attuned to market trends and customer feedback. Adapt your product selection and marketing strategies accordingly to keep your gift shop relevant and successful. Starting a gift shop requires dedication, creativity, and a good understanding of your target market. Regularly assess your business performance and be willing to make adjustments to ensure long-term success. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description. Most people think about starting businesses but never go anywhere. They just sit there in the thought process because they just kind of get caught in analysis paralysis. And not because you don't have the work ethic or the grit it takes to start a business, but you don't have the funds, you don't have the moolah, you don't got the cash, right? So what if I told you I had a way you could get funding for your business today within a 24-hour period? Would that interest you? If so, check out the link in my description and get access to same-day funding to start your business. Okay, the link says same-day funding. All right, so until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for how to start a gift shop the Wealth Builders way. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.